Easy Crew back once again with another video, and today I'm back on the eBay thing. I haven't done it for a while. I thought I'd do a little quick eBay video.
I'm going.
You're not in the picture.
Oh.
Right. I thought I'd do a quick eBay video to show you guys what's popping. And I found this Akai. It looks like it's got a couple of scratches on it, but the screen works. Looks good. 89 quid. Make an offer. £6 postage. Let me see what he says about it. Is anything wrong with it? Akai 3000 sampler. Classic sampler with Akai gritty sound. This is a second-hand product with some signs of usage but in perfect working order. Includes power supply. 89 quid. Maybe you can offer him 89 quid. Because that's what he wants to start the bidding at, right?
Yeah.
So let's try and see. So we send him an offer for 89 quid. £6.95 postage. Absolute steal at that price. It's got a bit of scratching on the front there. I don't know. Maybe you could put a sticker on it, or maybe you could have a go at cleaning it up. The top part of it is looking a bit ski with. It's got a sticker there. Maybe put another sticker. Bit of paint. Clean it up a bit. What do you reckon? Alright, so let's go to the next one. Oh wow. Akai. Oh, what? So we've got a S1100. Right, I'm still trying to fix mine. Right, screen is definitely knackered. Look, he's had to shine a light on that. He wants 300 quid for that. No. Oh, gosh. This guy's having a bubble, man. Look at the state of that. What did he do? Flipping yank it out the rack? Oh, hell no. But it's got Scuzzy. And it's got Simty. So, I don't know about that, mate. I think that's overpriced. What is this? What? He's got some transformer outside of it. Well, let me see the description. This is mad. Right, hold on. Let me see what this guy said. Akai S1100 Scuzzy interface. Display is dim but working. I think it only has 4 mega RAM. There is only one card inside. Scuzzy card probably worth about 50 quid. This is a Japanese model, 110 volt. Supplied with transformer, a slight dent in the case, but perfect inside. £316. No. No. I've seen better ones on here for that, you know, for less money. Look, pre-owned Akai 3000, 195 quid. See, compared to that one, if you get that one for 89, you're laughing. Let's have a look at this for a quick 200 quid. See, it's better if people like show you the screen working. Let's have a look at that. I saw something a bit scratchy on there. What is it? Hold on. What's that? That looks a bit weird. I wouldn't mind seeing another picture of that screen. Definitely cigarette nicotine or yellowed. You have to, what you call it, retro bright that up, I think. What we got here? Yeah, need to see it working. If it does work. Says used. I'm selling this for a friend, so not familiar with it. Red flag. It powers up and appears to be working, although not able to test fully as I don't have floppy disks. There is no power lead and no floppy disks included. So how did you test it? Okay. 195, make an offer. Yeah. I don't know, mate. How much do you want to sit? I'll post collect in person, and you've got to drive down to Brighton. So, boy, so I'll give that one a miss. What is this? Look at that knob he's put on the HXC. That is mad. My man's put some big knob on there, boy. Let's see. HXC, £180. S2000 with a GoTech. Is it full memory as well? Does it have the output boards? No effects boards. Also has a Scuzzy connector. Has the Scuzzy connector. No, mate, it's a Scuzzy connector. The Scuzzy connector is standard with this as far as I know. It's built into the board. So it's not really a bonus to have the Scuzzy connector. But yeah, 180. fair dues. I'd probably rather get a S3000 for that price. Ah, here we go. What's this? We've got an S5000 sampler X3000 heater. What does that mean? Is it a heater? Does it heat up?
I got the S3000 heater.
Okay. Again, no screen shown as working. Doesn't have the USB card. Gonna have to buy that separate. So bear that in mind. It's gonna cost you 150 quid. Does it have the effects card loaded? What's in it? 2.114. That's a bonus. 40 mega memory. 64 note polyphony. Probably won't ever need more than that, to be fair. No, it hasn't got the effects card in there. All right. So yeah, bear that in mind. 250 cellular refurbished. 40 megabyte of RAM, OS 2.4, super bright screen as they are anyway. Very little rack crash. For those who don't know what rack crash is, rack crash is like, see on the edges of these holes, see that little hole down the bottom right here, that little area there, that where you see that little silver been scratched off the paint, that's a rack crash. So little rack crash. Let's see what else we find here. Yeah, so you'd have to spend a few bob on that. I'd look for one that's kind of, look at this, this is going cheap. For what it is. Item in fantastic condition with only some detailed cleaning needed. What does that mean? The rear has a mark. Look at that. That's a decent looking S950 right there. Put a luminous green screen on that and away we go. Let's see in the back. Wow, pretty clean, you know, for that. That's cleaner than my one. And 600 start bid. Look, 15 bids. Oh, you know that's going to go for bucks, man. I thought you had that for sale. Hi, this is an Akai S950 sampler acquired for from a business clearance. It comes as one unit only plus one disc. The unit is in excellent condition and looks new. Only two marks significant are both at the rear. See photos. The working function of this unit is unknown. Of course it is, because you're buying clearance, I guess. Let's see what other items he's got. Perhaps he's having a little clear out of some other bits. Ooh, look at that. Damn. There you go. Look at that. Commodore Amiga untested. Ooh. 50 quid. Watch that space. That's probably going to go for Winga Wonga Woogie. Look at that. The Commodore Amiga that has been in my father-in-law's attic for the last 30 years. That's strange. So we're clearing out from clearance, and then now we've got an Amiga in the same time as the Akai S950. Something fishy here. Anyway, what's this? Atari Mega. Wow, this guy's got some retros for sale. Okay, you've got an Atari ST, but it's got key missing. I can see that from here. On the right there. Yeah. Wow. 66 quid. Bids coming in. Look, he's got bare bids for this now. 14 bids. He's getting bum rushed, man. Check this out. Loads of retro games, bits and bobs. Nice. Let's see what else we got. 270 Akai CD 3000. CD 3000s are alright, man. Again, screen looking rather dull. Make an offer. Can these sample? They got main volume. I can't see record level on it. Probably can't sample on it, I don't think. So this is more playback. You can play CD-ROMs, download a load of Akai CD-ROMs, stick it in there. That's going to be a Scuzzy CD-ROM, whether it works or not. Maybe give it a clean up, or you could just probably stick something else in there, maybe in its place. Probably need some sort of 3D printed mechanism to stick in there. See what you can do. Yeah, Scuzzy built into it. 270. Not exactly a bargain of the year. Let's see what else we find. Look, 50 quid. Here you go. Keep an eye on that. Akai's 2000 sampler. 16. What? And Akai MPD MIDI controller. Look at that. So where's the MIDI controller? Is that it? No. It's right. This guy looks like he's selling some outboard, man. So let's keep an eye on him. See what he's up to. He says he's got some Akai MIDI controller. S2000 professional, blah, 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 blah. We know what it is. We know what it is. Scuzzy, yeah, blah, blah, blah. What else? UPS next day guaranteed insured, blah, blah, blah. If you know what you're doing. Hold on. All 16 pads. Hold on. Absolutely perfect doing live sample triggering. 16 pads. Ah, here we go. I'll chip it out to you. Now, onto the MPD is great for pairing and would... No, what am I saying? Great for triggering the S2000. It's practically an add-on for me, and it's absolutely perfect for doing live sample triggering. What is the MPD? Okay, so like a little pad thing. Well, there you go. Look, it's worth about 50 quid. Selling on Reverb. Ah, interesting. If you like collecting the old retros, you might. Oh look, you're buying both now, 115 quid. Do you know what? That is a good price for that sampler, you know. That is a good price for that sampler. How much memory has it got in it? 32 megabyte. Or no, which... Oh, it's got 2 megabyte of memory. But still, I reckon that is a good buy, because you're getting the 2 gadgets. You're probably getting them... What, one of them's worth 50 quid, and the other one is worth... Well, easily worth 50 quid. So £112, you can't go wrong. £5 delivery. Boy. That seems quite tempting. You're getting that little Akai thing as well. Guys, that is one I put on the radar. Somebody snapped that up. I'm tempted. I've got to say I'm tempted. What else we got? So here, 17 minutes. We got an Akai Professional S900, 240 quid. Similar to Akai S950. Nice screen, man. Look at that. Well, maybe. It's got an HXC on it, so he's done some work on it. You can see that. So, and I think it's based in, where is it? Shipping to United Kingdom. This is out of the country. If you're not in the UK, fair enough. But if you're in the UK, that's a long thing. What else have we got? So 399. Here we go. Scuzzy Drive. Let's see what we got with this. That screen looks beautiful. Let's see what we got here. Anything on the back? Nah, no USB. I'll tell you, you've got to get these with the USB, man, to save yourself messing about. And the effects board, look. £235 for that effects board on its own, man. Look, 250. It's a little bit high for me. Better bargains out there, just got to keep your eye out. Akai SO1, 180, nah, not for me. I like a bit of a screen when it comes down to this kind of gear. Here we go. A Z8 sampler. There's a famous Z8 sampler, 652 quids. We looked at that in a couple of videos back. We went in. Oh my days, look at that. This is the original. The original Akai S3200 XL. Is it working? Okay, he's opened it up. He's looking in there. Something's got to be wrong. Power supply looks in good nick. I saw we looked at this last time, didn't we, or not? Let's have a look. £25 delivery. In good condition. Selling as screen blank. Selling as is, screen blank. Open to offers. 130 quid. Selling as screen is blank. What does that even mean? Boy, this looks tempting, you know. I'll give him 80 quid for him. Let me see what he says. Wow. I'll be up for trying to fix that. Boom. Blank screen. That's more likely power supply issue in my opinion. Not an expert, but it's a wild guess. I'd think it's got no power. If it's got no, look, nothing coming to the screen, it's got to be a power issue. Maybe an old cap's popped in it or something. I'm in the process of replacing a load of caps on my one. My S1000 464. Oh, look at this, man, nice. Do you know you get these, right? If you're looking for an X6000, which is the one to get, if you've already got an Akai and you're looking for that second sampler, I'd recommend this. Even the EMU samplers are pretty sick now, man. Let's do the EMUs in another video, because it's sort of running over time now. Look at that, S1000, 16 megabyte, 800. They seem to be fetching a packet. I'm not sure why, because to be honest, I've looked at my Akai S1100 and the sample editor on this machine is mad. It's only these little fuzzy things. Why has he got it all open? Look, he's put a new power supply in there. It's not the original power supply. And it's not fixed in there properly. Look, he's clanking around unless he screwed it at the bottom. He's on a mad one. Damn. What power supply is that? That's interesting. Let's see what he's done here. Right, so 2 common issues. Oh boy, he's selling it. He's got problems. The display goes out. A new display backlight has been fitted to this one. Source from eBay. The display goes out. The original Akai 5-volt power supply fails with a catastrophic results, as there is no fail-safe Akai crowbar circuit. This unit, as per picture, has to be fitted with a high-quality switch mode power supply over-spec'd for the power demands of the sampler source from CPC and fitted by a qualified and experienced technician. You can take this unit sky high by purchasing and fitting a USB drive in place of the disk drive. It contains 14,465 disk images. The USB drive can be found here. It's not included in the solar sampler, but it's quite pricey for what it is. Come on. And the screen's all yellow. It's not really like a beautifully kind of thingy bob screen. Alright, you get the Scuzzy with it, so that's a bonus. But 800, nah, I couldn't do that, man. I really couldn't. I'd have to get it cheap and fix it up, man. That's me. That's my way. Let's see. Okay, I think we've hit the end of the road there, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe.